Hi, everybody. I hope you guys are having a good day. Today, I'm going to make myself a little snack. And if you're anything like me, I'm a big snacker. So sometimes when I get home from work, I'm always looking for something to snack on. So today, I'm going to make somewhat a bit of a healthier snack. But before we get started, I wanted to show you guys the new fall jacket. It's black. It's got the In the Kitchen with Alethea logo on it. And it's a black fleece jacket. It's long sleeve. And I said I was going to show y'all last time, but I actually forgot. So I'm wearing it today. So it's a little bit of a high neck with a zipper. I'm going to zip it so you guys can see it zipped. It's unisex, so it kind of cinches you in a little bit. And this is what it looks like in the back. It's really warm. It's really it's really warm, and they're really nice. So it's got the logo right here. Let me come a little closer so y'all can see. You see the logo there? You see the logo on it? And it's all black. So it's on the website, available now at AletheaKitchenCorner.com. So you could find all the merch, t-shirts, in black and white. You could find the baseball caps in black and white. And also there are some kitchen aprons. There's two types of aprons. And the t-shirts are unisex, and also the baseball caps are unisex. So all of them are available now on the website. Again, that's AletheaKitchenCorner.com. So it's kind of cute, right, y'all? Y'all let me know what you think about the fleece jackets. I really like it. And you know black goes with everything, so I think it's cute. But y'all let me know what you think about it. Okay? So I'm going to take this off while we're cooking. I did want to show y'all what it looks like. So I'm going to just put it out of the way while we're cooking. And I've already washed my hands before we're doing that. So if you are new to the channel, take a minute and hit the subscribe button so that you'll know any new videos that I put up. You'll be one of the first people to see it. And also give me a thumbs up for the videos that I'm doing, and let me know what you guys think about the videos, any videos that I can do for you. Let me know, send me comments so I know what to do for you guys. So that would be very helpful if you let me know if you're liking the videos, things that I'm missing in the video. So all that feedback helps. So yeah, so let's get started. So again, I'm gonna make us a little snack. This snack is good for the kids. If you're busy on the go mom and you want to grab something healthy for the kids, this recipe is for you guys. So I'm gonna be making some Asian cucumber salad. So I love cucumbers, and I love to snack on them. So that's what we're doing. So I've already started. There's some cucumbers sliced in the bowl here. I've got one large cucumber, and I just started slicing it. I just need to finish. So I'm going to just continue slicing the cucumber that I started. You guys see? So I'm just going to finish doing that. And while I'm doing this, I'm just going to talk and let you guys know that we are in the fall, so this is my favorite season. I love to make like stews and stuff in the fall, so you guys are going to be seeing me do more stews and things like that. That's going to be stick to your ribs. So, and I can't wait for the holidays to come. So you know we got to throw down for the holidays, right? So that's what we're going to do. And you guys, you don't want to cut these too thick. I mean, you know, like that. Medium size. Not too thick and not too thin. If you wanted to and you're making it for children, you could even, you know, cut it in half like that. You know, if you want to make it a little smaller. But I'm making it for me. So I'm just slicing the cucumbers. And again, this is one whole cucumber that I'm slicing up. So that's what we have here. So we have one whole cucumber. And the one that I sliced in half, that's for me. So, again, I have one whole cucumber here in the bowl. And we're going to just do that. So, to that, we're going to add one garlic clove chopped. So just chop it up, kind of medium. We're going to be eating this garlic clove raw, so you don't want it too big in this recipe. So just chop it up. If you're making this for, I would say, more than 2 or 3 people, I would double the garlic clove in here, just so that you know, you have the flavor go throughout the cucumbers. And I would also probably use 2 cucumbers as well. So we are just chopping up our garlic. It's just about there. You know, a nice small dice on your garlic. Something about that smell of fresh garlic. It's nothing like it. And we are just adding that right into our bowl of cucumbers. Okay. So we have our cucumbers here and we have our garlic that's in the bowl here. We're going to add some honey, about a tablespoon of honey. Just squeeze it right in. If you don't have any honey, you could use sugar. So whichever you have is fine. We're going to add about 2 teaspoons of rice wine vinegar. So that's going in. Then we're going to add a little bit of kosher salt. So about a teaspoon. You don't need that much. We're going to add some chili flakes. And you want to be careful. So if you're going to serve this to the children, you could probably leave this out. But if your children like spicy, then I would just do like a few. But we're going to add about half a teaspoon of the crushed chili flakes. Then we're going to add some sesame seeds, about a tablespoon of the sesame seeds. And just sprinkle it right on in there. And then we're going to add some sesame oil. And you want about a teaspoon of that too. You don't need too much of this sesame oil because it's very strong. So I put in total about a teaspoon, teaspoon and a half. So let's get And we're going to just mix them with the tongs. It smells so good, y'all. And what it's going to do is it's going to be like a sweet and sour taste. But it's really, really good and refreshing. And it's healthy at the same time. So the longer you let this sit, the better it tastes. So you want to let it sit for about 20 minutes. I'm going to add just a little bit more honey. So this is what it looks like now that they've been mixed together. Now we're going to let this sit for about 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, after they've sat for 20 minutes, they're going to be a little bit sweet and sour from the rice wine vinegar and also the honey. But then they're also going to be a little bit spicy from the chili flakes too. So I'm going to put them in a bowl. Just one of those bowls that you have. I got a Chinese takeout bowl, whatever you have. And you just put it in the refrigerator to let them sit. Here we go. And you want to get all the marinade that you just put on the cucumbers. So there we have it, guys. We have our Asian cucumbers that we made for our afternoon snack. And it's going to be perfect. It can be used as a side dish, or you can use it for snacking like I'm going to do. And it's something easy, something quick, something for the kids or something for the adults alike. It can be for anybody. So, you know, thank you guys for spending time with me. And I'm going to let these sit for 20 minutes. And then once they sit, I'm going to be snacking. So, again, guys, let me know any recipes that you want to see, any recipes that I could do for you guys. Let me know and send me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this recipe. You can also do this with zucchini. If you like zucchini, you can do it with zucchini instead of the cucumbers. If you don't like the cucumbers with seeds, you can also use the longer English cucumbers. Those are the ones without seeds. So you can also use those as well. It doesn't matter. I like them both. So today I just happened to find the regular cucumbers in my grocery store. So that's what I'm using today. But you can use this again as a snack, or you can also use it as a side dish. So it's really, really versatile and easy and quick. Something that you can whip up in no time. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.